Hey, you're watching Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do, and today I've got some buffalo chicken kebabs to show you. You say, kebabs? Isn't buffalo usually followed by wings? Yeah, usually. But you can put buffalo sauce on anything you wanted to, you know? And usually, yeah, the buffalo wings are usually served with celery and blue cheese dressing, so we're gonna have some celery and blue cheese dressing. And, but I'm using chicken breast, and I've chunked it up, and we're gonna make kebabs out of it. I'm gonna cook it on my little cast iron Cajun Classic grill, little round hibachi grill. I like cast iron hibachis, and yeah, I do have the two lodges, but I like Cajun Classic too. Yes, it's a Chinese made one, but Cajun Classic only sells at like mom and pop locally owned hardware and grocery stores and stuff. And I bought the grill locally for about 65 bucks last spring. It's a nice grill, and unlike the Sportsman's grill, which is oblong, this one's round, so I can put pots and stuff on it when I want to. Anyway, hadn't cooked it on it in a while. I wanted to today, and I'm gonna cook some buffalo chicken kebabs. Now, I'm also on the chicken breast meat. I'm using some Dr. Doors. Yeah, Dr. Doors buffalo chicken rubs going on there. And then we're gonna make up a buffalo sauce, or I'm gonna make up a buffalo sauce and show you how I do it. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.
Well, all right, I had 3 nice looking chicken breasts. There was no fat or skin to trim off of them. And all I did was cut them up into about 1-inch cubic squares or chunks or so, and so they'd fit in the kebab baskets. Once I got them all cut up, I put on the Dr. Doors buffalo wing rub. That stuff is really good. Tastes like powdered buffalo sauce. Anyway, got them all coated well in that, and then I cut up some celery into about 1-inch chunks or so, because celery's often served with buffalo wings, right? So anyway, I'm using these kebab baskets. The reason I'm using the baskets is celery can be hard to put on skewers because it splits apart, cracks apart, and doesn't stay on unless you blanch it first. Well, if I use these baskets, I don't have to blanch the celery. So anyway, got those loaded up and got almost 3 of them fully loaded.
All right, so now it's time to put on the grate. And look, the grate comes with this cool little grate lifter, and I really like it, y'all. It really is a cool little thing. I got to line those up with where they go. There it goes, just like that. All right, let that heat up. I'm gonna brush it down with some oil, and we're gonna put the kebabs on. Actually, before we put the kebabs on, I got to put that little saucepan right here. This is a Lodge calls this an old mini oval server. I got half a stick of butter in there to make the sauce with it. So Lodge fans, there you go. I also have a Lodge grill, you know. But anyway, I like this Cajun Classic, and it's gonna work well with these kebabs. All right, that butter's beginning to melt. Now look, I was able to fill up 2 full racks, and this one only about 5 pieces of chicken, and then I filled the rest up with celery. I'm just gonna put them on just like that. We'll put that one going that way, this one going this way, and that one will go it this way with all the chicken over the coals. We're just gonna let it go till we turn it. All right, just to take you on a quick tour of the Cajun Classic Hibachi. It works a lot like the Sportsman's Grill if you're familiar with it, except that this one is round, but you have this draft door right there, and it's curved on the bias, and it slides, you know, like that. I had it closed at first, but I've gone ahead and opened it up to increase the heat a little bit. And it's got this door here that's not on the hinge. It comes out. I showed you that earlier. And anyway, it's just a little round hibachi, and got a bail handle on it. And they've got 2 sizes, a 14-inch one and this 11-inch one. So this one's just about 11 inches. Actually, there's some metric measurements, so they're not quite 14 and just over 11 or something like that. Anyway, I like it. It works well, and y'all know I like my cast iron hibachis. All right, now this butter is melted, and what we're gonna do is add hot sauce. I often make buffalo sauce with Crystal. Traditionally, it's made with Frank's. I was given a lot of Texas Pete a few months ago, and you know what? I've got a lot more Texas Pete to go too. Got a whole gallon in there. And so anyway, we're gonna add about as much hot sauce as we had butter, which was half a stick of butter. So I'm gonna fill this up with butter and hot sauce. It's pretty much what buffalo sauce is. You can add a few other things. We're gonna add a few other things to it, but we want a lot. I should have taken the lid off and just poured it. That's better. That's about right. I'm gonna have way more buffalo sauce than I need. Mix that all through there with the butter. What do you know? Butter burns. Want to add some Worcestershire sauce, just a dash or two. And some garlic powder. Now you want to add black pepper or cumin or something like that and doctor yours all up a little bit more. You can, but pretty much buffalo sauce is butter and hot sauce. A little bit of garlic powder and Worcestershire is usually thrown in. So there it goes. We're going to let our sauce sit there and simmer till we're ready to baste this chicken. All right, about time to turn these over. Wish you could smell them. They smell so good with that Dr. Door's buffalo rub on them. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And we're gonna turn them on all four sides, but right now we've gone north and south, then we'll go east and west with them. I've just checked these with the instant read thermometer. They're all at 165 or better. They are doing great. It's time to sauce them. I've turned them all on the original side, going right from the top. Just taking this sauce and just going right through there like that to sauce them well. I got a lot of sauce, might as well use it. I love buffalo sauce anyway, because hey, it's hot sauce and butter. What's there not to like? Shoot, sauce up the celery sticks too down here on the end. Oh yes. All right, guess what happens now? Turn them over and sauce them again. Now I could have probably done this in a grill pan. I probably could have done it right here on the top of this grill. That got a little charred there. That's okay, that's all gonna be good. Probably could have just done these pieces right here on top of this grill and just kind of stirred them around and get them to cook evenly, but kind of fun to use these kebab sticks. You know what? The sides need saucing too, don't they? Yes, sirree, they do. That one didn't lock very well. All right, let's sauce the sides too. And let's go to the other side. Boom, boom, boom. And want more sauce when we serve them? There'll be more sauce when we serve them. Just like that. Boom, boom, boom. How about one more dose from the top? All right, let those sit there just a little bit. I'll carry them inside. I've got some hot dogs I'm gonna throw on this grill as long as the grill is hot. But hey, that's our lunch today. Buffalo chicken kebabs. All right, the dishwasher's going in the background. Just gonna, and I may need to get a fork to get these out of here. Hold on. Use my Cajun pit stick and just pull them out of here. I had these things too stuffed in there. They're coming out easy now. Coming out real easy. Come on out of there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on out of there. All right. Now, ranch is used frequently, but I think blue cheese is a more traditional dressing. I'm just gonna drizzle some blue cheese on top here and eat it like that with a fork. Yeah, the dishwasher's running in the background. You can hear it. Hey, there it is right there. This is gonna be so, so good. All right. Oh, yes indeed. I don't want that one. I wanna get this one right here. All right. That was fantastic. Let's try a piece of celery. Here. But it's got that grill flavor, but it's still a little crisp. Fun to eat. And I think blue cheese goes best with buffalo. But if you think ranch does, use ranch. My son's gonna use ranch. Hey, this is great. You know, these young kids today talk about having boneless wings. There's no such thing as a boneless wing. When I was a kid, we called those chicken nuggets. In fact, I was probably a 10-year-old kid before I even knew what a chicken nugget was. That's how old I am. So I guess you could call these chicken nuggets and cook them separate like that, but it's fun to do on kebabs, especially in those kebab baskets. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.